My name is Gina, and I would like to officially welcome you to Season Beauties. If this is your first time visiting with us on today, welcome. If you are returning, thank you so much. Your girl really does appreciate it. Either way, if you're currently not subscribed, you know what to do. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button below. Become a part of the Season Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you. And there is more than enough room on this family tree just for you. Now, our video on today, we will be unboxing our Boxycharm base box, the very first one of 2021. Now, let me just tell you something. My box looks like it has been through the ringer. So hopefully everything will be okay when we open it. Because you know I gotta open it with you so we can all see what's in here together, okay? So, for those of you who are not familiar with Boxycharm, I will leave all the details down below so that if you decide it's something you would like to try, you can check it out right there, okay? So far everything looks to be okay. Wow. When I opened the box, look at this, look at this. Okay, so let's just jump right in. Well, the first thing, of course, that we see is our description card. And for the month of January, it says fresh start. I can use one. How about you? So let's just jump in. And the very first item that I have on top is by Dr. Brent. Okay, and this is the Do Not Age with Dr. Brent Triple Peptide Eye Cream. I'm here for a good eye cream, okay? Especially for those of us that wear glasses. Oh, Lord. Okay, but nonetheless, so it says this deeply hydrating peptide-powered cream helps diminish all signs of aging around the delicate eye area, including lines, wrinkles, dark circles, and puffiness for refreshed, younger-looking eyes for all skin types. Now, as you know, Dr. Brent's is expensive, and the manufacturer suggested retail price is $82. Woo! Yes, this stuff better work. So when we open it up, this is what the tube looks like. Can you see that okay? All right, and this one says DNA, do not age. All right, it has a shelf life of 12 months. And this is a 0.5 ounce size, and it says apply AM and PM to eye contour. Now, I just want to remind you, whenever you use products around your eye, you always want to tap with your ring finger. Do not rub, just tap, okay? You're trying to get rid of lines. You don't want to add any. So that's the first item that we have. Then moving right along, the next one is by Balm, and this is the Sweet Orange and Coconut Lip Balm. This box almost feels like there's nothing in it. Let me just check before okay, it is there. I'm telling you, this box feels mighty light, and with the condition of the box that I have, I couldn't be too sure. But here we go. And the description card says, essential oils of sweet orange and coconut give this lip balm its citrusy tropical aroma and silky smooth consistency. Sweet orange is packed with vitamin C, which is known to even skin tone and protect against free radicals. Coconut is a natural emollient that moisturizes for soft, supple lips. And the manufacturer's suggested retail price is $33. So, oh, this is cute. This is what the inside packaging looks like. And this is a 15 milliliter size. Okay. Now I have a lip balm that I'm currently using, so I don't want to necessarily open this one as of yet because it does have a 12-month shelf life. But when we do, I'll let you know. Who knows, maybe between now and review time, I might feel a little different. And it might be time to open it up and check and see. Okay, well, that is item number 2. Then the next item we have is by Pharmacy. And this is the Daily Greens Oil-Free Gel Moisturizer. An oil-free and silicone-free daily moisturizer that delivers lightweight, lasting hydration without leaving skin feeling greasy. This vegan, cruelty-free formula contains hyaluronic acid and a blend of phytonutrients known to help clear pores and reduce shine. Okay, and the manufacturer suggested retail price is $38. And this is a 50 milliliter, which is 1.7 fluid ounce size. Now, okay, here we go. And this says the Daily Greens with nourishing moringa and papaya. Okay, let's see what it's, do I want to open this? Let me see what the shelf life is. It says it has a 12-month shelf life. You know, okay, I do like it when they have this little pop top on it. We're just going to put a little on and seal it right back up really quickly. All right, now it's very light. I'm trying to place this smell. Well, I happen to like the way this smells. It's fruity, but not bubblegum kind of fruity. It smells really nice. It feels, oh, I need to clean my ring. Ooh, okay. You know, putting all these lotions and creams and stuff. It's getting all caked up inside. So, nonetheless, okay. Now, it does feel, well, it did feel just a little sticky, but that's already gone. All right, so that is our third item. Now, the next one that we have is by Avant. And this is the Biphase Hyaluronic Acid Rejuvenating Micellar Water. I love micellar waters. Okay, you see it's already separated, of course, you know, to shake it up before you use it. And our description card says, infused with replenishing ingredients, Biphase Hyaluronic Acid Rejuvenating Micellar Water presents an oil phase aiming to instantly dissolve resilient and waterproof makeup. Hard to remove, y'all. And a micellar water phase working to capture impurities. It dissolves makeup without rubbing or rinsing. Okay, that says a lot. Okay, I have another one I'm almost finished with. I'm ready for this, okay? And the manufacturer suggested retail price for this product right here is $90. $90. Okay? This stuff better be amazing. Now, I did tell you in video just before this one, the Try Beauty Box video, I received the Avant Hyaluronic Cream. So now I have two products to work with. I like it when we do have products in the same line, so you can kind of really get a feel for how it was designed to work. Now this one is a 6.76 fluid ounce size. That means if you are flying, do not try to take this with you. It will be confiscated and you will be upset. Okay, now I'm excited about this. I can't wait to try this out. Hopefully I'll be finished the other one before it's time to review these products, and then we'll talk about it even more. Then the last item in our box. Now I have a few palettes from Ciate, London. Okay, and this one is the Ciate London Velvet Eyeshadow Palette. And it says, create molten metal and matte looks with this palette, featuring a mix of hypermetallics, soft shimmers, and velvety smooth mattes. The innovative powder formulation delivers high pigment with super soft application, and the manufacturer's suggested retail price for this one is $30. Now, I'm just going to be straightforward and honest with you. This is not the palette that I wanted, and this is the reason why I try to stay away from spoilers, because you don't want to get your hopes up. Oh yeah, I want that one, but I really wanted the other palette. But we just work with what we have, and trust me, this is not too shabby. Okay, it does come with a full-size mirror. Let's just cover that so we don't blind you. And let's look at these shades. How about that? Shall we swatch a couple? Let's see. Okay, so we'll just go ahead and we'll swatch a matte. Ooh, I love this one. Wow. A shimmer. And the metallic. Okay, so let's see what we have here. These are the three that I swatched. Can't tell you what they are. They don't have names. Ooh, look at that. Okay, well, I am excited to review this one. That's coming up soon, y'all. So, and the packaging, like I said, is not too shabby either. Okay, this is the Ciate London, the Velvet Palette. You know, I know that I'm a little extra. I do know that, but with me being extra, that's one of the reasons why I do not really like to get palettes that are like metallic, because I don't like it when it gets all smudgy and fingerprinty and all that kind of stuff. But nonetheless, so I definitely do like what I see here. So I'm excited to do a couple looks with this. So, can I tell you what's my favorite? Not yet. Okay, but I'm excited to, you know, check them out a little further and then get back to you. So, these are the items that are included in our January base box of Boxycharm. Down below, you will find the manufacturer's suggested retail price for all the items that are enclosed, okay? Now, I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today. And please, by all means, remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.